We have completed all topics on class inheritance which I planned for this course. In this lesson, we will discuss that how we can decide whether we should use inheritance or just have multiple classes without inheritance. This discussion will also lead to a new concept known as composition class. So let's see an example of deck of playing cards. A deck contains 52 playing cards. We know a playing card has two attributes: suit, which can be spade, club, diamond or the heart, and values, which can be ace, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the question is, should deck be inherited from card or should card be inherited from deck? To answer that, you should recall that there is a relation between child and parent class, like child class object is an instance of parent class. So ask yourself this simple question: is deck a card or is card a deck? And of course the answer is no for both. Therefore, we will not use inheritance between deck and card. But having said that, you should also think that there is some relation between deck and card. It's not that they are totally unrelated classes. The relation is that a deck has cards. So there is a has-a relation between the two classes and it is known as composition. So let's see this in a code where we have card class and it has two data attributes, suit and values. Then it has repr method for proper representation. Then we have deck class. The deck object has no data attribute to be provided when it is created, but it uses 4 suits and 13 values to create 52 card objects and append those to cards list of the deck object. So this way of creating objects of another class while creating the object of some class is known as composition. So you can see that deck object has 52 card objects. We saw such scenario earlier when we created polygon class and polygon object has point object. So this is not inheritance and we can use any of the method on card object inside deck class, but of course on the card object. Then we have simple shuffle method to shuffle the cards of deck. Then is repr method which uses repr on card object that will call the repr of card class. Let's give a simple test. And you can see shuffle deck of playing card. Of course you can extend the program to implement some game logic, but I just wanted to explain the difference between inheritance and composition. That's all from this lesson. Thanks for watching.